How to replay disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to view Instagram's View Once messages that typically disappear after being seen. First, it's important to understand that Instagram's View Once messages are designed to disappear permanently after being viewed. Next, once you open a View Once photo or video, it cannot be replayed or viewed again through normal means. Following that, Instagram intentionally does not allow you to replay View Once content to protect the sender's privacy. Now, if you want to save the content before it disappears, you'll need to take a screenshot or screen record before opening it. Moving forward, when you receive a View Once message, you can see it in your Instagram DMs with a special icon. Afterwards, before opening the message, prepare to take a screenshot or start screen recording. In addition to that, swipe down from the top of your screen to access quick settings and start screen recording. Once there, go back to Instagram and open the View Once message. Subsequently, the content will play once, and Instagram will notify the sender if you take a screenshot. Moreover, keep in mind that taking screenshots of View Once messages violates the trust and privacy the sender intended. Afterwards, there is no official way within Instagram to replay View Once content after it has been viewed. Then, the message will show opened once you viewed it and the content becomes permanently inaccessible. Within Instagram's design, this feature is meant to give users more control over their shared content. And that's it! If this View Once message guide helped you understand Instagram's privacy features, leave a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and hit the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.